Good evening, everybody. It is January the 2nd, 2019. It is 4 minutes to 7. I'm going to give you the evening earthquake report for what I've got here for right now. Let's do this. There was a 4.1 Chile at 32 miles in depth that was on the Chile Earthquake Center. There was a 3.2 off the shore of Venezuela at 2.5 miles in depth, and that was on the Venezuelan Earthquake Center. There was a 2.2 Chile again, and that was at 24 miles in depth. That was the Chile Earthquake Center. There was a 3.9 Malaccan Sea at 8.1 miles in depth. That was on the EMSC. There was a 2.9 Utah at 4.0 miles in depth. Now, USGS also recorded 4 others: 1.3, a 1.8, a 1.8, and a 1.7 in the Utah area, and that was all on the USGS. Now, there was a 3.5 Chile-Argentine border region, and that was on the Chile Earthquake Center and the EMSC. There was a 4.5 New Zealand at 7.5 miles in depth. That was on the New Zealand Earthquake Center. There was a 4.4 the Philippines at 91 miles in depth. That was on the USGS and the EMSC. There was a 3.7 Zimbabwe region, Indonesia. That was on the EMSC and the BMKG. There was a 3.7 near the coast of Papua New Guinea, and that was 9.9 miles in depth. That was on the EMSC. There was a 3.7 in the Iona Sea. Iona Sea at 1.2 miles in depth. That was on the EMSC. The USGS put up a 4.1 Russia at 12 miles in depth. Now, Nevada, the USGS put up a 2.1 at 0 miles in depth, but they also put up 11 others, ranging from 0.7 to the 2.1. Montana had 3 earthquakes, 2.1, a 1.2. Wait a minute, 2.1 was at 4 miles in depth, the 1.2 was at 0, and the 2.0 was at 4 miles in depth. All right. There was a 1.1 West Yellowstone area at 5 miles in depth. I'm keeping an eye on Yellowstone too, guys. While I was at it, I just thought I'd check out how many earthquakes in the last 8 hours that California had, and they have ranged from a 0.3 to a 2.9, a total of 42 earthquakes in the last 8 hours. And the 2.9 was at 3 miles in depth. And those were on the USGS channels. All right, that's all I have. God bless you. Thank you so much for listening. You guys are totally awesome. You have a great evening. And I think I'm going to keep the Christmas lights up probably till the 6th of January. I just like them. 2 thumbs up for you guys. Have a great night. Thank you so much for watching.